Hello everyone. Good morning and namaste children. Welcome to online drawing class. Children, how are you? Hope all are safe at home. Frequently clean your hands. Follow the safety tips. Congratulations, you are promoted to second class. Children, how were the holidays? I hope you all enjoyed. What are we going to learn? Yes, drawing. Children, did you remember what did you learn in first class? Shall we recollect all once? Children, while doing drawing, follow the basic tips, okay? Hold the pencil lightly, first one. Second, never use eraser. Third one, pencil lead should be blunt. Okay, are you ready with your paper and pencil? Make the paper into 4 parts like this in this video. Today, our topic is basic strokes. What are the basic strokes? First stroke, sleeping line. Left side to right side. Left side to right side. Left to right. Children, slowly. Left side to right side. Now, right to left side. Right side to left side. Right to left. Children, these sleeping lines are also called horizontal lines. When you are not getting straight lines, not to worry children. Keep 2 dots like this and join. Is it not simple? Yes. Now next stroke. Standing line. Next stroke, standing line, top to bottom. Top to bottom. Top to bottom. Straight line, standing line. Top to bottom. Like this children. Now bottom to top. Bottom to top. Children, these standing lines are also called vertical lines. Children, when you are not getting straight line, keep 2 dots like this and join. Keep 1 dot on the top and another bottom and join. Okay. Next stroke, slanting line. Slanting line, one type of slanting line children. This is slanting line from top to bottom. From top to bottom. Now bottom to top. Same direction, bottom to top. Okay. Bottom to top. As the same, keep 2 dots and try. It's so simple. Keep 2 dots and try it. Children, if you are not getting, take your mother help. Okay? Don't erase children if it is wrong. Do simple practice. You'll get it. Now, another direction of slanting line. Slanting line is opposite of the previous slanting line. Now bottom to top. Bottom to top. Keep 2 dots and join. Shall we see these strokes in objects? Are you ready children? What is this stroke? Sleeping line. It is also called horizontal line. What is this stroke? Standing line. It is also called vertical line. What is this? Slanting line. One direction of slanting line. What is this? Another direction of slanting line. Yes, children. We can see that both directions at a time, two directions of slanting line. See all the strokes, children. Standing line, slanting line, slanting line, sleeping line. Yes, children. Children, do simple practice like this, children, half page daily in your book. Okay? Next we are going to learn curves. Curves. Are you ready with the paper and pencil? Like the 4 parts as shown in the video, children? Very good job. What is our first curve? Yes, big C. C, alphabet C is the first curve, children. It is also a half circle. It is also called half circle. What is our next curve? Anyone, children? Yes, reverse C. And next curve is reverse C. Next curve is reverse children, C. Without lifting the hand, you should draw, children. Your hand should move very freely. This is a basic technique, children. Okay? What is the next curve? Anyone, children? Yes, alphabet U. U. What is the next curve? U. U. Children, while drawing also you should say with your mouth, okay? Say loudly. What is the next curve? Reverse U. What is the next curve? Reverse U. Reverse U. Yes, children, first curve is C, second is reverse C, third is U, fourth is reverse U. Next, shall I show you these curves in the object? Are you ready, children? Yes. Say loudly yes one time. See here, half circle. Yes, it is thinking, who are you? Yes, this is a half circle. This is the first curve, right? Yes, children. Carrot slice with half curve. One more carrot slice with half curve. Now you got idea, children, what is a curve? See, children, like this you should do practice daily half page. In half page you should get all the curves. You should practice. Now we are going to practice combinations. Combinations of strokes and curves. Are you ready, children? See here, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Standing line in which direction, children? Yes, bottom to top. Very good. See, am I lifting my hand, children? No. Children, do practice. Simple practice, you do it, you also will get. Yes, how it is looking like, children? Like a design, right? Now, the combination of slanting lines. Slanting line, slanting line. See. Now how it is looking like, children? Like a hills. Now the combination of curves. C curve and reverse a C curve. See. Children, if you are not getting, do simple practice, you will get it. Okay? After doing 10 times, you will get the correct strokes, children. Curves. See how it is looking like. Like a snake, right? Wow. Good job, children. Next, U and reverse U. U, reverse U. Yes. Without lifting your hand, you should practice, Nana. See how it is doing in the video. Please watch it, children, carefully. Focus. Now it is looking like a water wave, right? See, like this, you practice all the combinations in one page. Okay? Okay, children. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed the drawing class. Yes, one more. This is a drawing copy. I hope you all brought your drawing copy and material from the stationery, right, children? See, we have total 20 images. Okay? I will tell you the technique how to learn very easily, children. Thank you.